Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Moon and I am here from Magical Umbrella Private Limited. I am here to tell you about AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud services given by Amazon. AWS launched in 2006 and moved in Amazon in 2010. Amazon started giving AWS certificate in 2013. A typical cloud architect consists of 9 layers, and on the basis of the 9 layer, a cloud gives services which is further divided into three types. Those three types are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Now, what is infrastructure as a service means? I will tell you what infrastructure as a service in an example. If you have to run a software or any application but you don't have any hardware or a database or a storage device or a network, then a cloud will provide you all the infrastructure to run that application. In that situation, though that infrastructure was provided by a cloud to you, is known as infrastructure as a service. Second type of service is a platform as a service. If you want to run any application, you will require a platform. For example, let's take an example of Microsoft Word. If you want to run a Microsoft Word application in your computer, you will require a Windows operating system for that. In this situation, your application is Microsoft Word and your operating system is your window. That is your platform. When a cloud provide you a platform to run your application, then that type of service is known as platform as a service. Third type of service is a software as a service. What software as a service means? When a cloud provide you a software to run your application, that type of service is known as software as a service. Now, what type of services AWS provide? Before that, I will tell you AWS is a world largest cloud provider, followed by Microsoft Azure, and on third number, a cloud known as Google, a cloud provided by Google, known as Google Cloud Platform. AWS is the world largest cloud platform. AWS provide over 200 different type of services. That's why AWS is also known as King of Clouds. Here we will discuss few services of AWS. First type of service of AWS is storage, cloud storage. What does it mean? It means you can use your AWS cloud as a storage device. You can store your data on AWS no matter what type of data you have. You can store your audio data, you can store your video data, or you can store your text document data on your AWS cloud. Second service of AWS is hosting provider. AWS help you to host your websites on it. No matter what type of website do you have, you can host your static website, you can host your dynamic website on AWS. AWS also useful as a DNS provider. Another use of AWS or another service of AWS is elastic cloud computing. When AWS provides you virtual machines of high capability, then that type of service is known as elastic cloud computing. AWS also helps in network provider. AWS also provides you databases. What type of databases it provide? It provide both type of databases. It can be a relational database. It can be a non-relational database. Few databases of AWS are MSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and many more. Another service of AWS is Route 53. Now, what are advantages of AWS? First advantage of AWS is it is very easy to use. If you are working in IT industry and you don't know any programming language, but it will not harm you to it will not back you to use AWS is very convenient to it and it is very easy to use. If you are new to AWS, still you can use AWS very efficiently. Second advantage of AWS, it increase your speed. I will tell you how can it increase your speed with an example. Suppose you are a developer and you want to run an application, okay, but you don't have any tool to run that application. You can simply go to AWS cloud, ask for the tool or software to run that application, and you can run that application very efficiently. It will save a time to buy and purchase that tool and software, and it will increase your speed also. Another advantage of AWS, it is scalable. each and every service of AWS is scalable. You can scale in and scale out your services whenever you want. It up to you. Another advantage of AWS, it is stable and secure. AWS is most stable cloud in the whole world, and it is very secure. Another advantage of AWS is its billing process. AWS billing process is very convenient. AWS will charge on secondly basis. If you use any service for example 50 seconds, then you have to pay for only 15 seconds. You don't have to pay much more, like you don't have to pay for a minute or for an hour if you use your service for 50 seconds. That was its billing process. Now, why you choose AWS? As I already told you, AWS is the world largest cloud provider. Almost 70 to 80% of companies use AWS, so it have a huge demand in market. A normal AWS developer earns up to 7 to 13 lakhs per annum. Okay, so if you want to boost your career, you have to learn AWS. It will help you in make your IT career very proficient. So I hope this short video is very helpful to you in learning AWS. Thank you.